If there's one thing we love, it's a well-lit home. So, in this video, we're going to show you how to wrap your indoor and outdoor windows in glistening lights. We're using our ConnectGo String Lights along with our ConnectGo AA battery box and command hooks. You could also use suction hooks as an alternative way to hang your lights if you'd prefer. When sticking your command hooks, make sure that your surface of choice is clean and dry before peeling the back from the hook and pressing it firmly into place. Repeat this process until you've covered the area, placing the hooks approximately 50 centimeters apart from one another. Make light work of securing your lights into place by simply pushing the wire securely into each hook, continuing around until the frame is covered. And as easy as that, you can bask in the glow of your dazzling window lights. Flick the switch and enjoy your handiwork with pride. Why stop there? Shine a well-deserved spotlight throughout your home and cover your window frames, door frames, skirting boards and more in a warming glow. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Be sure to leave any comments and questions down below. You can find other useful videos across our channel, and we hope to see you again soon.